Okay, a little bit of a follow-on. This is what I'm doing. This is temporary with the water jugs in the back of the utility vehicle. But to show everybody what I've got, two 55-gallon drums with a Y yoke feeding a common feed line to the intake on the water pump. At the intake of the water pump is a flow valve that keeps, when the pump turns off, it keeps the pressure from pushing the water back up into the things and killing the pressure in the line. It's leaking a little bit. I need to get a better one. It's a one-way valve. Output of the water pump goes through a right angle discharge, and I'm just using a regular garden hose adapter, and that goes up into a water filter. This inline strainers to keep any sludge, any dirt, anything from going into the water line that might clog the emitters. There's a union there that makes it really easy for me to just spin it off and take it with me if I have to, and hook it back up again, and then it descends into the earth. Hindsight, I probably would have used iron pipe for this section that rises above. It would be sturdier. I'm going to probably have to come back and reinforce this so that wear and tear doesn't get to it. In the winter, I will probably use a vacuum or something to pull any standing water out of that pipe. It's easy to get it to drain down to a point, and underground you can't see it. There's a valve I can open, but I had to get things going again. But that's it. Oh, and the little generator, it's a little California certified 2-cycle generator. It always runs just one thing well. It uses 50-to-1 oil gasoline mix, which I like because that's what I use in the chainsaw. And there you can hear it cycling whenever the water pump turns on. Water pump has a little pressure switch. It goes to 20 and 40 pounds per square inch. This is killing the metric, people. I'm sorry. Which is why all of the emitters are pressure compensating. You'll notice I do not have a pressure regulator in the line. These little emitters are pressure compensating, and look at them compensating. Oh, how they compensate. And of course, they make gassy noises sometimes too, so I imagine I must be pulling a little air in the lines. But that is Happy Dogs Farms version 1.0 fixed installation drip irrigation system. All right, bye-bye.